Diego over here getting the McNuggets.
Wiener.
McWieners.
Hey, sober. I ain't drink.
That's why we actually got up one time. These guys. What, you like Ronald McDonald? That dude scared me when I was little.
Me too. Don't scare me.
I scare you. This fool passed out. All right, so we out here at Chatos Tacos. It's gonna be a nice little meet. There's gonna be a bunch of people here pulling up later. We got some Team Billet up in the house right now. Got Diego Vlogs right here doing the damn thing. Look at these things. Got some great wheels. Got K5. Yes, sir. My buddy's place, Chatos Tacos. We're gonna go in here and check it out. We're gonna eat before it gets really packed with this meat going on over here. All right, let's check it out. Henderson. Ooh, boy. So this is the restaurant over here in Henderson. Got Diego. We waiting on the food right now.
I'm faded, dog.
He's faded, dog.
I haven't slept since Friday.
He been doing nothing but sleeping. We're gonna grub this down real quick and then go out to the meet and get some footage and check it out.
Faded, dog.
Faded, dog.
I ain't hot. It's nothing, bro.
I'm out burning, cuz.
You try ketchup? Nah, that motherfucker hot. That's nothing. Sweet. Ketchup?
Chatos Tacos meat. It's going down. This guy right here, Felix Team Billet. This dude right here. All right, so let's check it out. And it's early. There's still gonna be more people pulling up here in a minute. I know this guy from somewhere.
Fucking faded, dog.
Ooh, boy. Got all kinds of stuff out here. We out here. We got the lowrider photographers up in the house.
What's up, man?
What up?
Sunday slowdown, man. Vegas, we outside.
Hell yeah. Then we take a flick. Look at this dude over here. Oh! What up? Chillin', chillin'. bunch of bikes over here too. Some trucks out here. Oh, nice. What up? All kind of stuff out here. The bikes, lowriders. Yes, sir. It's gonna get popping. Diego.
Faded, dog. I got a phone bridge on me right now. Run.
Look, we got some OGs over here. Diego. I'm faded, dog.
Faded, dog. Faded, dog. Hey, let's see how many times I said that in this vlog. You guys comment down below.
Comment down below. If you get it right, we'll buy you a michelada.
Faded, dog.
Oh, you got the nipple grab. I like the wheels. I like the wheels.
Faded, dog.
This is the YouTuber girl right here. She's gonna be on YouTube. Oh, we got this fool, the giant dog. Rolling my rollers, dog. Vegas finest. Here comes some girls.
2016 GMC, güey.
Cuando tú lo mueves yo hablo en inglés. Tú puedes estar de lejos y a mí se me para los métodos de tres. Los métodos de tres. Los métodos de tres.
Diego.
Hey, dog.
Put the beam on the nigga ass.
Diego.
Hey, dog.
So it's almost over. There's a lot of nice rides that pulled up. Hey,
I don't fucked up, bro.
hey,
Not for real.
he had one beer, dude. He's lying.
Shut up, motherfucker.
I charged my phone, but this is pretty much the end of it. It was a really good event. If you didn't come out, you should come out next time. They will be doing another one. All the boys out here. Big O. If you don't know him, he be doing auctions. every month, car auctions, local public auctions.
Come see us.
I'll put the ad at the bottom of the screen and information. There's gonna be one in 2 weeks here coming up. Make sure you check it out. You can get yourself a whip for pretty cheap. They got a lot of them coming up, and it'll be you can get some good cars out there. So check it out. So we out.
This time of the Monday.